guys, this is KB. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to let you know I posted another video. Today we are going to open up Doorables. I've already opened up these. I have 5 of these to open. I've opened up these and the big one. So let's get into this video. I have a paper on these, like other ones you can collect. I will be going off this paper that is going to be in front of me. So let's get started. And every adorable will come with the box. So that's pretty cool on what I get. My first one was you get 2 out of these. So my first one would be a kitty cat. And my next one will be actually Cinderella. And here's my little kitty cat. Oh, didn't mean to drop it that hard. My next one, I'm really wanting Bambi, which I know Stitch or any of them won't come in this because these are all the ones you can collect. I'm really wanting Bambi or the Mickey and Friends, the little cow. I don't know if you see it. Or go over here and get Toy Story. It'd be cute. So let's see what's in this one. I ain't never open up these things. That's why I have to time I open them up off camera. It's a lot easier to get into. Open it up like this. Got the little thing, stick it to the side. And I'm not going to tell you who I've got. Stick that over here. I'm going to open it up. These. Now I can tell you one of them is off Toy Story. And don't know who the other one is off of until I look. Okay, one of them is off Toy Story. I know that much. The other one is off Moana. This one is off Moana. And the green alien is off Toy Story. So I've not got any repeats besides on my last one that I've opened. I got Olaf twice, which hopefully that won't be a repeat on these. My next one. Open the little door. It opens up this way. And it puts the card right in front so you can't tell. So whenever I pull that, this one has 2 plus it has 2 plus whatever is in this. So this one actually came with 3. So my first one is off of Frozen. My second one is off the Sleeping Beauty. I can get her open. And I don't tell you the names. I'll let you guess them in the comments of these names. Oh, let me open up this before I show you these. So I don't say the names. I just say what they're from, like Moana, Sleeping Beauty, Toy Story. I did on the Alien. But down in the comments, tell me. This one's from Sleeping Beauty. Comment down below what her name is. This one is Elsa. Which everybody knows Frozen, so. Then with that, I got 3. I got 3 in 1. And it's the Friendly Owl from Bambi. So I got 3 out of 1 on that one. I'm pretty much sure. Yep. That's got 2 more open. 2 open. I'm pretty much sure. Because if not, I would have seen it. Guys, guess what? I've got 2 challenges coming out. So look for them videos. It's gonna get crazy. This one is, my first one is from the cats. My next one is from Mickey and Friends. Now, I know what the names are, because I can see them. But here is the one, let's see, off the Mickey and Friends. And here's the one off of the cats. My next one let's see. My first one, it is off of Cinderella. My next one is off of Tangled. So comment down below of who this guy is. And comment down below on who he is. These are cute. I can't believe I got 3 out of 1 little adorable. It's pretty cool. And that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And hit that bell icon to let you know I posted another video. This is KB. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.